everybody, here's a 1-minute quick start on OpenBOM Templates. Build yourself a bomb that has everything you like. The right properties, they're in the right locations, right justification, got the right catalogs assigned, and then use the upper right corner up there, Save As Template command. Click on that. Next, the Save Template options will appear. For almost all of us, use the default. There's some descriptions here if you think you might want to use some of the other options. When you're creating a new bomb is when you use the template. So specify the template under Create Bomb, specify your template. If you are specifying a template that has a catalog, do not assign a catalog. Finally, if you're using CAD, in this case SolidWorks, and you're using a template, here's where that goes in the SolidWorks, the OpenBOM SolidWorks settings for a template. That will control how your CAD system builds your bomb in OpenBOM. And then finally, you will get a bomb when you create a new one based on that template. And it will have properties, columns, catalog assignments, and formulas all ready to go for you. So I hope you enjoyed that.